Yeah.
Namaste, I am Dr. Srinivasu, founder of Freedom Health 360. Today, I am honored to share a very special case. Mr. Narasimha Nayak, 70 years old, was suffering from multiple health challenges, including diabetes, BP, thyroid, obesity, poor sleep, and even gangrene that led to the removal of two toes. Today, he is living medicine free, energetic, and completely healed. Since he is more comfortable in his own language, his son Santosh will share the journey with us. Hi, Santosh. Hi, Naik sir. How are you?
Hi, doctor. Yeah, we are very good. Okay, we are happy to see in front of you and talk.
Hi,
Yeah.
Santosh. Can you share what health problems your father was facing before joining me?
Yeah, so doctor, my father's condition was very serious. Okay, so he had diabetes for almost 8 years, and his fasting sugar was almost 150, and post meal was fluctuating between 200, 250, even 300, 350 also. Okay, and HbA1c was 8.7. Okay, so and he was taking insulin every day. Okay, it was painful for me to give insulin injection every day, and blood pressure was there. Okay, so totally he was taking almost 7 or 8 tablets every day. Okay, and also he was little obese, and hemoglobin was low. Okay, digestion issue was there, constipation was there. Okay, and sleep was also disturbed a lot. Okay, so overall he was very low energy, and it was difficult for us to see.
So, how did this affect Santosh, his daily life, and your family's feelings?
Yeah, actually, he was losing hope. Okay, he was very low in energy, and we were also kind of okay how why his health is getting worse and worse day by day. Okay, because and also he was taking insulin medicines. Okay, but there was no significant improvement we saw. Okay, and whatever the gangrene he had and that wound that did not heal even after 2 3 months. Okay, so as a family we were a little bit scared. Okay, and it was a little bit stressful for me also along with the normal work. Okay, so we were not sure. Okay, so where to go. Okay, which hospital to visit. Okay, so it was difficult for us.
So, what made you trust my hand holding process, Santosh?
Um, as we attended your webinar, okay, so we saw like, okay, your approach was little different or unique, I can say, than the normal doctors. Okay, and every time we go outside, they will tell, okay, start this medicine, that you start other medicine, take injection, all this thing. But you were telling yes, this can be reversed with a natural way. Okay, so with the daily observation, guidance, and motivation, okay, this has happened. Okay, so you did not give only instructions, but I think you're following up with every day morning. I was getting your message. Okay, what has happened, all this thing. So you followed up very closely. Okay, so that has kind of pushed us. Okay, and we were not skipping anything. Okay, even one or two things you were following up. What is the problem? Okay, so to deeper level, you are asking, okay, that has helped, and we overcome the challenge.
Fantastic, Santosh. So, what changes did you notice after he joined?
We started seeing his medicines are getting reduced. Okay, so it's kind of a miracle for us. Okay, because what are the main medicines he was taking was insulin and sugar medicines. Okay, and BP medicines. Okay, so we saw on a daily basis or weekly basis we are monitoring. Okay, the things are getting normal. Sugars, fasting sugar, and after food sugar levels are getting reduced. Okay, we used to check on a regular basis at home only. Okay, sometimes going to lab. Okay, but it was getting reduced, and we were checking BP at home only, so that was also getting reduced. Okay, and his constipation also was improved a lot. Okay, so
Wow.
most importantly for us, the gangrene what he had in the leg. Okay, so
Hmm.
that wound got reduced. Okay, so it is
Wow.
healed completely now from last 15 days. Okay, there was no new wound, I can say. Okay, so as a family, yes, we see that as a huge relief. Okay, so we believe in your process.
Wow. That's goosebumps. So how is his health condition now, Santosh?
Now he's completely medicine free. Okay, so insulin free. Okay, his sugar, BP, hemoglobin also we checked a few days back. Okay, that also improved. Okay, so a little bit of a thyroid thing was there. That is also improved. Okay, wound is, as I said, it's reduced. Completely healed from last 2 weeks, I can say. Okay, so I can say he's healthier now compared to what he was there 1 decade or 2 decade back. Okay, so he's into that level now. So at 70, we feel proud of him. Okay, to see or to follow your instruction, and thanks to you for guiding us.
Super. And how about sleep and energy?
Yeah, sleep pattern also improved. We followed your strategy. Okay, that has helped him because with the diabetes, he used to wake up frequently to go to washroom. Okay, so that also reduced now. Okay, so it was very frequent for us. Okay, it was kind of difficult to see him waking up every 2 hour, 3 hour. Now that also completely reduced.
Wow, great. How do you feel personally seeing your father's transformation, Santosh?
Honestly, we feel like okay, that's possible only because of you. Okay, because your way, as I said, is very unique, and you did not give any new medicine to us. That is very important. So you have taken care as a family member. Okay, and as I said, you are closely monitoring us, closely following up. Okay, you are motivating us on guiding every day, and that has pushed us the most. Okay, and that has changed everything. Okay, and we are very grateful for you. Okay, because we got our father back. Okay, he's very energetic. He's living his normal life.
Thank you. Super. Now,
Yeah.
what message would you like to give to other families who have elderly parents suffering like these problems?
Yeah, so mainly with the diabetics, is because 1/3 of Indian population is
Hmm.
suffering with diabetes, and most elderly people. Okay, okay, I personally feel like okay, only the medicines and insulin are the not the way. Okay, so there are other things also they need to explore. Okay, so don't wait till that gets worse. Okay, so natural healing also works. Okay, we found out now. Okay, initially also we did not believe that, but we followed the process and it worked for us. Okay, but that needs a very right guidance. Okay, severe cases as my father. Okay, so this also can be reversed. Okay, if my father at 70 with a non-healing wound can, with all these problems, okay, he can become a medicine free, then anyone can come back. So it is easier than to take the number of medicines and tonics for that. Okay, so he initially felt like, "Arey, how I can do," but later he told, "Yeah, it is not a difficult job to do." So he's seeing the result.
Wow. So, how are you feeling, sir, now? कैसे हैं आप? How are you?
ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ?
ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ.
Superb. 70 years you are following everything. Well done, sir. Great job. And you got results, superb results. Blood sugar is good. And your hemoglobin is good. Your thyroid is good. Energy is good. How is
ಗುಡ್.
energy? How is
ಮತ್ತೆ
energy?
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ
ಎನರ್ಜಿ
ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಶಕ್ತಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಧ್ವನಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ,
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ
ಧ್ಯಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಖುಷಿ
ಊಟನೂ ಹಸು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ.
Yeah, so he's feeling hungry and he's more energetic compared to 2 months back. That's what he's telling. So he's able to follow all these things, even difficult exercises. Okay, what how much is possible? He was trying. Okay, so
Correct.
he was only reminding us we need to do exercise in the morning. Yeah, yeah.
I really agree with him and I really appreciate. I really inspired with his journey. At 70 years, he was able to follow and he got the results. So, in this entire process, did I put your father hunger more? Did I give stomach full of food? Or did I give any medicines? Or did I give any supplements? What is this?
No, first
What is
of
the
all,
process?
there was no hunger he felt. Okay, so with your diet, it was periodical or whatever the plan you have given. Okay, that has enough nutrient. Okay, so there was no need of keeping him hungry. Okay, so we are giving a plate full of meals. Okay, but the healthier foods. Okay, and there was no medicines given. There was no medicines given, and there was no extra supplements also given. Okay, everything was completely natural for us, so that felt amazing for us. Okay, we did not believe this would happen.
That's true. That's true. It means if your natural healing capability is there, no need to
Yeah,
eat medicines, supplements, even go to the gym to lose weight. And
yeah,
thank you so much, Santosh, for sharing this inspiration story of your father. Mr.
yeah,
Narasimha Naik's journey is proof that with natural healing, close
yeah,
guidance, and discipline, we can reverse diseases, heal even severe health problems, and give back health and hope at any age. What an
yeah,
incredible story. Mr. Narasimha Naik's journey proves that age is never a barrier to transformation. For 8 long years, he battled diabetes, high BP, obesity, poor sleep, and even faced gangrene that led to the removal of 2 toes. His wound was not healing for months, and he was dependent on insulin and medicines every single day. But today, he stands as a living example of how natural healing, daily discipline, and the right guidance can restore complete health. From insulin to freedom, from sleepless nights to peaceful rest, his recovery shows that the human body has an extraordinary power to heal itself when treated with care and the right food. Mr. Naik's story is not just about numbers or reports, it's about hope, belief, and commitment. Because even at 70, he reversed his diseases naturally and is now energetic, medicine free, and full of energetic life. This victory belongs to every person who chooses to believe that healing is possible. To all those listening, if Mr. Naik can reclaim his health after years of pain and medicines, so can you. Don't wait for the disease to worsen. Start your healing journey now and give your body a chance to repair itself naturally. Jai Hind.
Jai.